Hey beauty, welcome back to another episode of I Dare You TV. So I posted this reel on Instagram, and I got so many requests. You ladies wanted to know how I did my own lash extensions. Yes, these are lash extensions and I did them myself. So fun fact about me, I'm a makeup artist and I also do lash extensions. I have a clientele of makeup clients, and I also have a clientele of loyal lash clients. Shout out to my loyal lash members, my tribe. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much. So I'm actually sitting here in my studio. This is my lash bed, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do my own lash extensions. Now, if you have any questions about doing your own lashes, be sure to drop them down in the comments below, so that way I can do a follow-up Q&A type of video where I can answer all the questions you may have. But for this particular video, I'm just going to show you how I did it. All right, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, just keep on watching. And if you like this makeup look, I did a separate video showing how I did my makeup. So if you want to see that, go check it out. I'll post the link up here or down in the description box. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so this is a week-old lash set, so I'm just brushing them out so that way my lashes can stick out when I go to isolate them. Now, these are all the tools I use. If you want a complete detailed list along with the shopping links for each product that I used, be sure to head down to the description box to get access to that, okay? So first thing I'm doing is just making sure that I'm sitting comfortably and I can see my eyelid, my lashes very clearly, so that way when I start lashing, it's not a struggle. Okay, so now I'm taking my tape and I'm gonna rip off about 2 inches of tape, and then I'm gonna take one end and fold it about 1 centimeter. This will be my tab, so that way when I'm ready to pull the tape off, I just use that part to peel it off. Now, taking the other end that is not folded, I'm gonna go ahead and press it on my eyelid and then pull the skin upward and make sure the tape is secure on my forehead. And as you can see, the tab is sticking up on my hairline, so that's gonna be the piece that I'm gonna pull to release the tape from my eyes. Yes, it's gonna feel funny and you're gonna look funny. Moving right along, I'm grabbing my glue, my lashes, and I like to tape the lash strips on the back of my hand so that way they can stay put and I can work directly from my hand. And then I'm grabbing my tweezers and I am ready to go. Okay, this next part is super serious. You gotta make sure you bring your patience, okay? Because you could accidentally poke yourself in the eye if you're not careful. So basically what I'm doing is isolating each strand, which is separating the lashes to make sure one strand stands alone, and then I'm placing the lash on to my actual strand without touching my skin. And then you brush them all the way through and you're all set. Okay, so that's all for today. I don't want to overwhelm you with so much information in this video, but listen, if this is something that you seriously want to learn how to do on yourself or on others, be sure to visit the links down in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss another video. And until next time, stay gorgeous and God bless.